Hi there, my name is LeticiaBenzien and I teach electronics level 2. I have a subject guideline, which is this one here, and I have an assessment guideline over here. In these two documents, there is topics 1 to 9 that gives you the different directions of which you have to work towards concerning the outcomes and learning outcomes. All right, so there's, for instance, fundamentals of electricity, basic electronic theory and concepts, electrical safety standards, the use and care of handheld and test instruments, soldering techniques, basic electronic circuits, basic programmable logic, and basic concepts of telecommunication. So, how would I go and start teaching this? First thing that I do is I have what is called a subject management plan. All right, so for myself, I will write up a management plan where I work from week to week and what exactly I want to cover and what I expect my students to know. So for instance, let's say from 15 January to 19 January, I'll be doing electronic theory, which is topic 1, subject outcome 1.1, and in there will be everything that I need to teach them. Then what I have, what is called a topic plan. All right, this topic plan will be, for instance, here, once again, electronic theory. It gives me an expectation of my teachers. So here it tells me that by the end of my lesson, I want my kids to understand the dangers of electricity, define electrical safety, explain the characteristics of electrical flow, the earthing concepts of safety practices, and so on. Then what is my learning goals? All right, so here at the bottom, what do I want them to do on each section here? So I've ticked, I need to improve their knowledge, they need to comprehend what they learn. Under learning and under cognitive levels, they need, once again, also knowledge and comprehension. Under resources, I will use a textbook, obviously my computer with some YouTube videos about safety dangers. And then what I will do is I will take my kids on a walkabout outside on the premises. Here at Kero Jubelkrein, we've got a huge premises with lots of danger in the sense of electrical installations and so forth. And then I will ask them, without showing them, what should they be looking for? Where can be a danger? Where's the safety in it? And all of that. And then when we come back, we can have, for instance, a little short test or have an interaction where we have two groups, and the two groups can say that, yeah, but this is a danger, and the other group needs to say, what do you do to fix the danger? So this lesson is a very interactive lesson where I expect the kids to tell me their stories about electrical safety at home, for instance, things that happened to them or stories they've heard, and also to make sure that we sort out the misconceptions about electrical safety. All right, then, like I said, resources will definitely be the textbook, YouTube videos, outside live lesson, and then to actually make them, and here we have a full electrical or electronic workshop where I will give each of them a lab coat. They'll have the anti-static gloves, the safety goggles, and we will introduce to them all the equipment, like, for instance, soldering iron, the solder sucker, long nose pliers, short nose pliers, or snub nose pliers, fine files, and then I will show them what a power supply looks like, what an oscilloscope looks like, and to get them excited about actually going to build this, and explain to them that we will start by building a circuit. And this circuit they can use to make their own Bluetooth speaker or a remote control or anything they can actually think of. And where do we use electronics? And they can go home and then look around, you know. I'm not saying open up the TV remote, but if not, why not? If there's one lying around that's not being used. So they can understand the concept of where electronics will be used, and so they can come back excited and then have another discussion with me. This subject is very interactive, so there's a lot of interaction between student and teacher, as well as equipment, and this is what makes electronics level 2 so exciting. Thank you very much.